Hello and welcome back to our Quinexus video blog. My name is Jack and today I'm going to be sharing information about EDR solutions and XDR solutions. EDR stands for Endpoint Detection and Response. XDR is Extended Detection and Response built upon EDR. Traditionally, if you've watched our previous videos, you've seen our video about our Q stack, our security stack. In the stack, it shows the process that a criminal would go through to try to hack your network and the different layers of security. The antivirus layer in the Q stack is now being replaced with an EDR solution / XDR solution. Typically, an antivirus solution looks for signatures. And if a file contains a signature, it blocks that file from either executing or being downloaded. It works really well, but it is not perfect because the criminals do great things to hide the signatures and try to fool your antivirus solution to get bad things into your computer, the malware, the ransomware, etc. What the EDR solution does is it looks at the behavior of the computer. And based on the behavior of the computer, it can respond to and take action against a behavior that is not correct. The reason that's important, if you think about ransomware and you think about how systems get hacked and data gets breached, ransomware starts running on a single computer. That single computer typically goes to the computer hard drive and starts looking at all the files there and encrypting them. It also goes out to file shares, which would be on the server, and it encrypts that type of data. That's the type of behavior that an EDR solution can monitor for and stop. Another example of a behavior is malware will also start scanning the network and looking for other computers on the network, and then it'll start looking for vulnerabilities on the network and other machines and systems to attack. And this is where breaches typically happen versus ransomware where they're just encrypting. They're looking to steal data, they're determining where the data is, how much data there is. And that type of behavior can be stopped by an EDR solution. So EDR solutions are the new mainstay, and they are replacing that traditional antivirus layer. They still have all the signatures in the EDR solution. It's just the next evolution. Evolving beyond EDR, we start taking a bigger look at the network itself and the environment. And that's your extended detection and response solution. An example of how this would work is it actually ties into other type services, such as your email server. And it could determine, based on looking at the enterprise or the small enterprise, if there's a piece of malware on one workstation, it will know that that malware may exist on other workstations as well. And before a different workstation with that same type of malware, with that same file structure, even gets executed, it gets removed. Or instead of removed, depending on how it's configured, a network administrator gets notified that we have the software on there and they could take action and decide what's best. When it ties into, for example, your mail system, you could actually determine how this malware / ransomware got into your system, and it really helps with forensics. So it's doing logging, real-time event management, and it has built-in AI, artificial intelligence, mechanisms to prevent bad things from happening. And this greatly minimizes the risk to the organization, and it greatly minimizes the impact of something bad. If something bad does get into your network, how it's going to affect your network. If you're not currently running an EDR / XDR solution, you should definitely consider doing so. We are including this in all our Security Plus packages for our clients. If you want to learn more about EDR, XDR, please feel free to contact me. I'd love to come out, talk to you, and share with you how this might benefit your organization. On top of the EDR, XDR solution, the next level of security is a SIEM solution. It's pronounced SIM, SIM, but it's spelled SIEM. And it stands for Security Information Event Management. In our next video blog, we'll be talking about SIM solutions. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And if you know somebody who might enjoy this video, please refer them to our video blog.